Welcome to Joy Property Guide. Today we are taking you through the actual construction status of Rise Times Square. This is dated 10th of November 2020. If you are opting lower ground, ground floor, any floor that you opt for, that will be visible from the main road. Uh, Nearby almost 20,000 flats are delivered. So the catchment area is huge, and in Rise Resort, almost 600 villas are coming up. Few already are in the verge of getting position. These are the parking, and this has been made through Times Square newer concept, where in front people can have a good time. In front there is a Square. For details, you can call us on the given number. We will share complete details. Thanks.